I'm gonna show you how to easily fix Linkvertise loading problem to solve. So to get started, make sure, now let's try to go to Linkvertise first. So from here, make sure you just search in Linkvertise. And then from there, you just have to click on the first link or the second link, which is linkvertise.com. So from there, just click on this one and then go to Linkvertise on the second link. So from here, it will automatically load, or it will just load, or it will just show you that the network site or the site is broken. So to fix that, just do this. But first, we need to figure out what did wrong. So sometimes Linkvertise doesn't offer in any other countries. There are also restrictions, which that's why we cannot access it. So to access it, you can just have install a VPN in your browsers just to access the browser or the Linkvertise itself. So to do that, you have to go to your settings from your browser and then go to your manage extensions. And when you click on manage extension settings, it will just redirect you to a next tab or a next page. So from here, you just have to go to your extension and then go to Chrome Web Store. And then from here, you just have to search in any VPN that will work for you. So for there, you just have to search any VPN from here and then install it into your browser. And then once installed, you just have to run it on your browser, and then from there you just have to operate it and set it to any location beside your country, since Linkvertise is not available on your country. So when you selected one, you just have to install, and then once you're done, you just have to activate it. And then once you're done with that, you just have to refresh the page for Linkvertise and it will just show you like this one. So once you're done with that, it will just fix your problem easily. So that's how to fix your Linkvertise loading problem issue.